Sanapur, an offbeat destination near Hampi. Pune to Sanapur Village is around 11 hours, 590 kilometers. Sanapur is located in Koppal district in Karnataka. We started our journey by car at 4 am in the morning and reached Sanapur around 2:30 pm with few breaks in between. Sanapur village is located near Virupapur Gaddi and Anegondi village. The best time to visit Sanapur is November to February. In Sanapur village, you will get to visit never-ending green paddy fields, banana plantations, hills of Boulders, Tungabhadra river and the great Sanapur Lake. We stayed in guest house called Stchel Hampi, which is a beautiful property amidst of green paddy fields. The bamboo and tattai cottages are decent and affordable with attached western style washroom. Ample parking space is available at the guest house. There is ample space to sit around and enjoy with your family and friends. The food is very tasty with many local and international cuisines available. The best part is the sitting arrangement and the view from the restaurant is amazing. You can also visit a small waterfall which is at walkable distance from the guest house. This is a nice place to watch sunset if you are a nature lover. Sanapur Lake is around 1 km from the guest house. Sanapur Lake is a reservoir fed by Tungabhadra Dam canal. Sanapur Lake is a lovely place to relax and enjoy the nature. You can also enjoy Coracle ride at Sanapur Lake. The cost is approx Rs 200 per person for a short ride. One can hire the whole Coracle at a cost of 800 to 900 for 5 to 6 people depending upon your bargaining skills. The lush green fields are a treat to your eyes and a perfect soothing way to enjoy our vacation. So friends, do visit Sanapur village when you visit Hampi. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.